Hello. How are you? This is Alice coming from bmascraftycorner, and today I'm here to show you some of the new stuff that I just put in the shop. Lots of goodies. Let's start with this one. This is Creative Memories Personal Paper Trimmer. This one's new in the box. We're going to call it slightly used, but somebody took really good care of it. It's a guillotine style cutter. The blade is in really good shape. Let's go ahead and do our test cut as we always do. So there's a little piece of paper we're going to put in there, and it cuts beautifully. Okay, so we got one of those in the shop. That's a pretty popular one. Everybody always wants it when they see it. So there it is. What else do I have in the shop? Well, I have a whole bunch of new Stampin' Up! Sets. These are all new, like they've never been used. I like your style. This one is from 2000. This one is, the name's on here, I know it is. There it is. Definitively Decorative Daisies. That's a layered stamp set. This one is cute, just cute. This is called Ladybug Picnic. That one's adorable. Let me show you two more that I just put in. This one, which is called Seaside Sketches, so it's kind of like a, like a loose pencil drawing kind of thing. Really cool. Would look nice on like cards or something like that. And then this one, which I think is just funny. This one's called Wisecracks. Yeah. I try to lose weight, but it keeps finding me. I'm just glad wrinkles don't hurt. A balanced diet. It's a chocolate in each hand. So, yeah, so I have a whole bunch of these that I just put in. I'm going to tell you, all of these are listed under market price. Okay? I might even do a Stampin' Out! Stamp wood block blowout. Who knows? Maybe. We'll start with these. So these are from Wilton, and 2005. These are pretty old. And what these are, and this one, the bag is kind of messed up, so I'll go ahead and pull this one out. We'll take a look at it. This is a post-mounted. See the posts in there? Post-mounted. Doop. Little scrapbook that has like cute little paper in it. So you can open this up back here. You just unscrew the posts and you can move the pages around all you want, and it's just a cute little photo album type thing. A little pocket here so you can put a picture in, and they all have different paper. And I've got that, the snowman, I've got the little gingerbread house, and the Christmas tree. Stinking cute. Then I have this one, which is a spiral bound 6x6. This is Heidi Swap. So you get a plain 1/8 inch chipboard cover, and it is their photo holders in there. Now I was thinking, this would be great to put like your ephemera in, because they're just clear pockets and they're 6x6 inches, and it's got a nice big 1.5 inch ring binder on it. So you could load this up with your ephemera and put whatever creative thing you want on the cover, and it's stinking cute. So I grabbed that. Let's see what else we have. So we do have some Dollar Tree items, because these things are hard to find. So I have two of the stamp sets in. I have this one, which is the Dream Catcher. So I have that one in, and this one, which is the one that everybody loves. It's the dragonfly, butterflies, and the bees. There's even a ladybug in there, and a couple of flowers, So I have those in there as well. And since I was there and they had them, I grabbed some of the rub-ons that have been really hard to find. This one is, we're calling it Spring. You can see why I'm calling it Spring, because it says Spring right at the top, right? And then the other one is this one, which we're calling Amore, because, it's got X's and O's and all kinds of stuff on it, and very Parisian. So I have a bunch of those in the shop as well. What else? Oh, this is stinking cute. So I got this. Open this up. Right? Are you ready? Here, let's do it this way. It's like a little album, like an accordion album. And you can decorate both sides of it. And then it just ties shut with this little built-in tie. Stinking cute. I got a couple of these in that I just put into the shop. And they come, they also have these. These are pre-cut to fit on the pages. So there's one for vacation, summer fun, at the beach. There's a couple of birthday ones in here. So, you know, you can get one of these and pick a theme and, you know, do it up. So I got those. What else? What else does she have? Oh, yeah, I got these in. So this is, there's 98 feet on each roll. And there's gold, like an antique gold, silver, like a rose gold pinkish color. And then you got your red, your blue, your purple, and your black. And these are great when you want to add a little bit of, you know, sparkle to a page. You just kind of take some off of there and roll it up like a bird's nest and glue it on. And it's fantastic. So I got that. And I got quite a few of those in the shop. Never fear, never fear. I have some Tim Holtz Distress Spray stains. We have the 3-pack, chipped sapphire worn lipstick, and what is that? Bundled sage. So I have 2 packs of that in there. And we have some Tim Holtz stamps. We have some of the cling stamps. These are brand new. This one is Schoolhouse. This one, which I can't find anywhere, this one is called Explore. That's in there, brand new. We have this one, brand new in the shop. This one's called Motivate. Then there's this one, which is the rubber, you know, your standard acrylic style. This one is called French Market. And then this one, love it. Look at that. That's that big butterfly everybody likes. And this one is Perspective. So that's just some of the stuff that I've listed in the shop today. And it's all in there. So if you're interested, make sure you get over there. Also, the stamp presses, I think there's only 2 left. So if you want one of those, you better get that now. All right, that's it. That's all I have for you today. I just wanted to stop by and kind of show you guys a quick rundown of everything that I've listed in the shop today. I'll be listing more tomorrow, hopefully, and get some of this backlog cleared. All right, so if you're new here and you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that button for me and subscribe, like me, ring my bell, share me with all your friends, and your friends can be my friends can be your friends, and our friends can get to be friends before you know it. We have a giant crafting community. I go live on Wednesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, and Sundays at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. That's 11, 12, and 1 across the country. And I also post videos on Mondays and Wednesdays. Mostly tutorials, but you never know. Until I see you again, stay safe. Bye-bye.